Hi guys, my name is Scott. I'm a student with Jack McCaig's Liberty Aid Academy program, and I got nothing but good things to say about them. They have been so helpful. They've actually helped me with my 10 cases that I'm currently going on. And the best part about all of this is it's real, and all you need to do is to submit a trust, how to develop a bulletproof trust and being able to protect yourself so you can move all your assets into this trust and be able to take everything out of your person and eliminate all the debt that you have accumulated over the years. And the debt that I've gone into, I had a failing business that actually I ended up having over $100,000 worth of debt, and I'm in the process of eliminating all of it at this point. I started February of 2021. Right now it's April, so it's towards May. So I've only been in it for like two and a half months, but I've already experienced results. So this particular program, I did Personal Accounting 101. I've also done Business Accounting 101 as well. So particularly for the Personal Accounting 101, I want to show you some proof. So in this, in these documents here, these are for my unemployment. So apparently unemployment, they lent me a hand last year, and then they were hoping that I'd be out doing the 1099 job this year, which ended up not being what we thought it was. And so they decided to not only deny my case, but reverse everything that they helped me with. So I ended up having over $15,000 worth of debt. But what I've noticed here is all of these, see, I've all of the certified mailings that I've sent. I also kept track of all the documents that have been sent. Personally for me, I have a copy. They've all been notarized. So this is exactly how you do it. See that? So all of that has been notarized. And the best part about all of this is, since I already had everything in the trust before I filed this to the small claims court, I was able to not only have all my fees waived, but also being able to serve these people on my own turf, because as a government agency, I wasn't able to serve them through police or through the officer of the sheriff. I had to send it through an email that was explicitly said that I should be sending the papers via email. They're going to quickly find out that I don't have anything, and basically there isn't anything that they could try to get from me under my person, because everything's under my trust. And so I'm very grateful of all the piles of work that I actually had to apply for. Apparently all the 10 cases that I have here, on top of the unemployment, they're all going to be waived. I already talked to the person who's going to be talking to the judge about that, and all I need to do is just follow this process. And if you listen to exactly what Jack McCaig talks about and how to write these debts off and say that they're collecting illegally, because without a written notice or written contract with me and that other person, it's not a valid debt. So I'm continuing to follow this process, and I'm looking forward to having all this be eliminated. But for now, I am so happy with the results that I've gotten so far, and all the advice and all the research that I've done, because the research says that people are collecting illegally. And I'm glad that this program exists. I've referred it to already, a lot of people that I've actually known, and it's helping them tremendously, because it's aligning with their truth in what they knew about from other videos. So I'm Scott, and I hope that you found this testimony helpful. There's gonna be another testimonial for me after this is all done, but for now, I'm giving this to you guys to know that the work is real, and I was able to make some tremendous progress with this. So in the 2.5 months. So anyway, take care, and I look forward to sharing with you guys more.